Here's how I do a mineral site. This one is 1 year old, off a cornfield. That's where the farmer won't get to it. It's 1 year old, and look, it's what, 5-6 inches deep, and it was holding water when I came up to it. I pour dicalcium phosphate on the ground, and then I put a salt block on top of that, and then I put a mineral block on top of that, and then that's my secret concoction right there, loaded with dicalcium phosphate, vanilla, and a couple other secret ingredients to get them to come to it and dig. But they want that salt down in the bottom. You know you have a good site when it's holding water because they've pawed the ground to the point they've compressed it, and it hasn't rained in days, and I literally just pushed it down, but to keep them from moving it, I piled some dirt around the outside of it there. Come this fall, this will be dug out twice as big.